Good day, welcome to Mosiness Design. In this tutorial, we want to conclude our roofing system on the royal penthouse that we have started for a while. So we want to create a ridge cap around these positions. So we want to adjust some of these things and bring a little bit of elevation value before we conclude that. So in the last tutorial, before the incident happened that made me to abrupt the process happen, we were able to do something like this. So this was part of what we did in the last one that looked have the regular plan like this. So what I want to do here now is that I want to remove all the ambiguity, then focus on the whole building project. So we are starting it by moving to this. So I'm clicking on this. So the next thing that we do is that we want to work on the, let's go to plan. So we want to cut off this particular thing on the project, which is the front side, so that we'll be able to see the front completely before we later continue to adjust them. So how do we do that? You click on the sites, then you go to click of this, then you go to architecture. So pick a vertical. So vertical, now you pick on this. So this lower part is what we want to work on now. You click on this vertical, then you draw around this one to cut it off. So you cut it off. So you can never see the significance of that cutting. So you can go to level 2, level 2, yes. So drag this to somewhere around here. So you click finish. So when you go back to 3D, that opening should be there. So this is the opening center. So you have this opening and all the other things is gone. So you stay in that lane for now. So what we do next is that we go to our level 2. So we need to adjust something. So here is that we have this particular balcony. So we are going to work on that for now. So click here and say create similar of this. So we want to fulfill the balcony side. So if you need adjustment to some of those things, we still need to adjust them for the purpose of design. So you do that, then you go to 3D and see what we've created. So this is it. So the what is it called, is going to rest on this. So you are going to look at it from the south elevation. Is it accurate? So if it's accurate for you, fine. If it's not, then you need to work on that a little bit. But it's not going to be okay for me here because I'm still having an issue with this particular one. So how do I correct this? Check this out, the dimension of the elevation from here. So what is the concluding expectation? So it is too long to bear the eave of the roof. So what you need to do is to adjust it and adjust this to meet up the regular indication. So what you do is that you pick this up. So you might decide to say, okay, I'm going to use annotate to construct that. So click detail from here, click the detail here. So I'm going to use this detail of this, say, hidden line. So I'm going to use this detail here to work on this one. Remove the shadow. So now you click from here and you say move. So move this one to 700 inward. Press enter. So you're going to start your work from this edge. So you click here and the wall is there. So when you look at it from this place, so this is where the whole thing joins together. Now you will redesign this particular roof cut that you did. So you are going to cut that and redesign it. So click here and say edit sketch. Edit the sketch. Now you bring it close to this wall. So you finish this, you finish everything, then you click finish again. So you can now go to 3D and go and see it from the 3D, and you see that it has already aligned with the wall and what which you have created. So that is the beauty. So you go back to the front elevations because you need to balance everything up. So what you do is that you mirror this one. So mirror this and see how far you get it. So you see where they stay. This is where the concluding part of it lies for you. So you are going to do that and adjust that based on what you have here. So you click on the level 2 So when you are doing design, that is what I'm saying. So you need to focus on the adjustment, because adjustments is definitely going to come. So this one is going to be here now for now. So you adjust this to meet up with this. So you edit this and say edit the boundary. So the boundary is going to be edited. You bring this to here, click here now, come here. So this one, you align it to the last part. So you trim this one, you trim this, and you trim this. So you click this one and say delete, because it's no more needed. So click the finishing and see what we have. So as you done this one at the upper floor, so this is what you have done. So this one now you need to edit it again. So edit the footprints. So what you do there is that you need to join this, and you say click finish. So you do the finishing, then you look back to the 3D and go and see everything, whether they are intact. So this one is here. Check this one in another way. So this one is there as well. So everything is in order, everything is in intact. So whatsoever you want to do to your wall, you cannot do that and adjust them. So this one now I'm going to still edit it and bring it to cover up from the floor from the front. So edit it. So go to level 1. So at the level 1 now, this is where you adjust this one. So it covers so many areas. So like this place is there for you. So you click finish in that area too, because it's a balcony. No, sorry, it's still staying within that space. Control setback. So it doesn't have anything to come on the outside. So what you need to do there is that we create a standing column from down to the top. So that one we are going to adjust later. That is going to affect this roof as well in its loneliness. So let us quickly create that one, so that we have any iota of doubt of what we are doing. So temporary columns is going to be created. So using model to do that, and you say column and you say create. So you create that one by using rectangle. I say create and use extrusion. Click extrusion. So from this one now you click on extrusion and you design this based on your own particular orientation. So you do that and then you fix this one in place for now. So click finish. So this one is done for you. So you can bring this back a little bit. Let's put it at the edges like that. So at that edge, you go to your roof plan. So if you have this one in place, go to elevation first and go and adjust what you need to adjust. So bring this one down. Can you see? So you bring it down. Then you take this one, transcend it to the upper position. So where you have issue now is that it's not even in the regular position with this one anymore. So what do we do and how do we adjust that? And that is the next line of focus. So we edit everything according to the way the picture is given to us. So now you edit this one and edit the visibility. Go to level 2 and go and open that. So what we do is that we have this in place that align with this. So we click this one again to be on the same level. Good. So you click this one. So you adjust this one to be on the same level. So move and then shift it. Good. So that is for that position. So you click finish here, then you click finish here again. So save to project, let it save. So what we do is that you now go to the level on the ground, then adjust everything you have there. So level 1, this one is going to be something that you're going to adjust towards this position. So forget about this particular something. You may later change the position of the orientation of the design. That is what I've already said in the beginning. So you do that and say adjust. Click this one to meet up here. Click this to meet this one up. So you click finish and you click finish and you click finish. So this one is adjust towards that area. So what we do is that you click here and click here. So you just need to do the mirror then without copy, so this one will flip and then everything will stay. So adjust this one, then adjust this, push, so we push there, so the entrance stay and every other part of it stays as well. So look at it from 3D, we still have the same regular pattern. Now this one we want to use to cover this, so edit this and say go to site elevation. So you click this one and adjust this to the base. So from here now you have set 700 without what copy. Then you bring this outside, so click finish and the roof is completed. So do not attach. So that is the roof that we have made here, and everything is in intact and everything is in the completing position. So as we have done it, look at it from 3D and you get what you need to do. So the next and the most important aspect of this particular tutorial is the ridge cap. So select every roof, select all instance in this view. So now you do what, copy this and push it up. So that is what we want to do now. Then you go to your sites properly. So then you start the work, architecture, then cut vertical. So you want to cut this one off. So cut vertical from the top. So let's see something here. Yes, something is happening here. We're going to work on that one as well. So let's do that, say site and say cut, vertical cut. So select this, click here, then click 80 mm. So from there is this one that will guide all your ridge cap. So the true moment of this is that you are going to only work on the ridge. What is the ridge? That's the top T, the point to which this point of these 3 points join together. This is what you focus your attention on. So that is the ridge cap. You don't focus on gutter because gutter will not give you what you want. So this is the ridge cap for this particular design. So we are done with this. So you click here again. I think this one is still part of the ridging system of this. Yeah, so you do this one and you do this one again, you do this and you do this. So I think we are through with this. So you select this one as well. Good. Then we cut this off. So trim everything, trim them off. Break this into 2, then choose. So that's how you do and you work in everything detail by detail. So the inspiration aspect of this is that the more you do, the more you are flexible, the more you get more perfected in every area of your design. So I've repeated things like this separately before I become a master to this kind of a situation. So we are done with this upper part. So the next one is that we click on the vertical again. So we want to focus on this one, on this particular one. So click on it again, then you start the same thing, 80. So you focus attention. So the ridge, you work on it. You have like 2 ridge on this one, so this ridge and the other one. So the funniest aspect of this is that this one is the upper part that cut across the big side. So you need to focus on that one and work diligently on it. So you select it. So as you have done with this, you start bringing everything to conclusion. Go to level 2. So at this level 2, you adjust this one Fine. We bring this one because they all align to the wall. So after which you're done with that, you bring this from here, tuck it to the outside. So while you're doing that, trim the remaining aspects. This one trim it, this one trim it, this one trim, and this one trim it. So this one you trim as well. Then you trim this, trim it, trim this, trim this, trim this. So complete this with this one. Then you click finish. If there's any issue, it's going to talk. If there's none, it's going to be there. So check it from the 3D. Does it really make sense? So the opening part is cut off. So everything is there back. So can you see the caps are coming out? So that is the cap. The cap end here. You can just still adjust this one to the conclusion of what. So of this particular one. So but leave it now for now. You're still going to work on it later. So we want to work on this one. So go to the site again. Then from the architecture, select vertical again. Click on vertical, select this one. So start doing the work. 80. Then bring everything to activities. Click here. Click here. Click here. Then click here. Click here. So this one is concluded in its own right again. So you click finish. So what we do here is that we select this so that we print off with this one. Click yes. So adjust this to fit. Adjust it to fit. Good. So move this one to this point. So I remove this one. So click finish. What does it say? Continue. So I think from here we have issue. So click finish. Good. So this cut off again. So the last one is this particular one. So we're going to work on that one now. So click a vertical again and then select this. So this one is a simple straightforward thing. So you do that when you say 80. So you do that again on here, then outside, then outside. So everything here is flowing in between. Then you break this into two. Click this to move, click this to move, close this up, close this up. So I think with this something is there. Okay, cancel. So you need to align this to the wall itself. So align everything. Do not let it go in excess. So click finish again. Let's see whether it will accept it. Still having issue. So continue. So what is the whole issue with this? Okay, let's just still adjust a bit. Good. So it accepts that. So all we still need to do is to adjust this one again, because this needs to cut off. Yes, let's cut it off from there because it's supposed to be under this particular stuff. So I'm going to cut this off. So join this together and click finish. So when you look at it from 3D, you find everything in order. So that is the beauty of what we have created in this place. So this one is here, this one for the ridge curve. So the ridge curve system is not tedious. So you adjust this one and move it down again. So click here, edit the footprint. So go to level 2, click, go to sites. Then what we want to work on is the cut off part. So we are going to align it to the roof edge. So click finish, and that is it. So the whole system is there. As you can imagine, this is what we are able to do. So this is what we are talking about here now. So leading line, you can just see the shaded part or look at it from the realistic point of view. So that is the beauty of the whole project that we have been working on. So that is it. So the CDs, the ridge cap, everything is out. So check it from the shaded angle, and that is the shaded ridge cap we have created. So look at it, look at the elevation. So in the next category of something we are going to work on this one and create everything according. So this is the whole situation, the ridge cap system. So that bring about the beauty of this building. So we are going to conclude this design in the next class, and we are going to bring everything to reality. So time for watching.